We're seeing a 2 BHK at Chandiwala complex, Khan Tower. It's a Seaving Pearl Horizon 2 BHK with a private terrace. This building was made in 2010, possession given and OC received. This is Aqsa Masjid Road, and that's your beautiful Aqsa Masjid. Let's go and have a look inside. So that's your apartment on that level with the terrace, and the terrace has been covered Pearl Horizon by Chandiwala Group. This is called Seaving as well, 19-story. Great structure, plenty of open parking spaces as well as covered parking with the apartment, bike parking as well, neatly and nicely organized. Let's go and have a look further ahead. You got a covered stilt parking with the apartment, so that's the advantage. If you have an SUV, if you have a big car, you can park it here and it's clean, neat and tidy. We have a double height grand entrance lobby. This has been recently renovated a couple of months ago. The entire work is anew with modern high-speed elevators with the new glasses and the mirrors. Aircon lobby. We're seeing a lovely 2 BHK with a private terrace. This is the entrance foyer. It's approx 800 square feet carpet area, including the private terrace, which is a wide deck like a nice sized balcony. Have a look at this. It has been covered right now, and the due permission were taken from the society to cover it. This is Pearl Horizon Khan Estate by Chandiwala Group. We are in the C wing, that's the B wing, and the next one is the A wing, 19-story, and big lovely terrace. So the access is from the common bedroom as well. You got wooden flooring, antique pieces like antique painting being left behind by the sellers. Got an antique door, so they are users of antique furniture and connoisseurs. Have a look at the common bedroom, nice, elegant, cozy, and you get access to the terrace, so you can jump out anytime if you want to have a smoke, want to have a breath of fresh air, or you want to have a cup of cha or coffee, whatever you like. This is your own space. Let's go from the same side. You got a nice layout here. There you go. So of course you have to redesign and refurbish again. That's a common bathroom here. The common bathroom is in a proper condition. You got a kitchen. Again, the buyers can do it up the way they like and want. You got a dry utility space as well for washing machine, the wash wet area as well, and plenty of stuff, plenty of space as well. The refrigerator can be accommodated there. You got a master bed. Master bed is a cozy retreat again for you. This is your ensuite. You got storage spaces there and there as well, and it's quite a big space. You got a standing balcony here. You can stand up here. The kids can actually really enjoy the view from here. It's a lovely society, a cohesive community. You can have a wardrobe here, a little wardrobe if you like, and then you can have storage here, so you can have your slider, you can have your door, you can do it up the way you like. This is a 2 BHK Pearl Horizon, Jogeshwari West, with a private terrace and a covered stilt car park. We love this. This was made in 2010. Khan Tower it is known by, and the apartments go here very fast. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this, holla at me guys. 2 BHK with a private terrace. Cheers.